Learn furniture in English and Gujarati.
Furniture, table, khurshi.
Welcome to the very serious house of chaos. Welcome, language hero. Today you are walking into a house full of furniture words, and luckily nothing is on fire except your motivation. Picture this. You open the door and enter a room full of
Furniture.
There is a
Table.
a proud,
Khurshi.
a sleepy,
Pathaari.
a tall,
Kabat.
a lazy,
Sofa.
and a glowing.
Divo.
Your mission is simple. Learn these Gujarati words and survive the comedy of a very dramatic living room. Your word squad. Let's meet the stars of the house. Say them out loud with me, even if your table judges your accent. Furniture is
Furniture.
easy one. It sounds a lot like English. Table is
Table.
also wonderfully familiar. Chair is
Khurshi.
this one has personality. Bed is
Pathaari.
even the word sounds ready for a nap. Cupboard is
Kabat.
strong, solid, and probably full of snacks. Sofa is
Sofa.
a universal symbol for doing absolutely nothing productively. Lamp is
Divo.
small word, bright job. A silly house tour. Now let's walk through the house together. The more absurd the scene, the better your memory will stick. In the first room, shiny new.
Furniture.
Smiles at you like it has just been promoted. In the middle stands a
Table.
wearing an invisible crown. Next to it, a
Khurshi.
whispers, I support people emotionally and physically. In the bedroom, a giant
Pathaari.
says, please cancel all plans forever. Then a wooden
Kabat.
creaks open like it has ancient secrets, but inside there are only socks and one mystery spoon. In the living room, the
Sofa.
is so comfortable that even your ambition lies down for a while. On the side, a warm
Divo.
glows proudly, as if it personally defeated darkness in combat. Mini dialogues at home. Time for useful little conversations. These are simple, practical, and only slightly ridiculous. A. Do we need more?
Furniture.
B. Yes, this room echoes with emptiness and poor decorating choices. A. Where is the book? B. It is on the
Table.
A. Where should I sit? B. Sit on the
Khurshi.
not the floor. You are better than that. A. Where should I sleep? B. On the
Pathaari.
the floor has not invited you. A. Where are the cups? B. In the
Kabat.
A. Where should our guest sit? B. On the
Sofa.
of course. A. It is dark in here. B. Turn on the
Divo.
memory tricks that actually behave. Let's make these words easier to remember. Your brain loves images, drama, and nonsense, so let's feed it well. 4.
Furniture.
Imagine all the furniture in a house marching together in a parade. 4.
Table.
Imagine tapping a table and chanting, I am able at the
Table.
Quote. 4.
Khurshi.
Picture a chair so cozy that it demands a thank you speech every time you sit. 4.
Pathaari.
Imagine a bed floating through the clouds begging you to take a nap immediately. 4.
Kabat.
Hear the strong final sound like a cupboard door closing with purpose, kabat.
Kabat.
4.
Sofa.
The word is close to English, so just imagine sinking into it dramatically. 4.
Divo.
Think of a glowing lamp saying, behold, I am the tiny sun of this room. Quick quiz, no panic. You've got this. Answer in your head or out loud before I reveal each answer. What is the Gujarati word for furniture?
Furniture.
What is the Gujarati word for table?
Table.
What is the Gujarati word for chair?
Khurshi.
What is the Gujarati word for bed?
pathaari,
What is the Gujarati word for cupboard?
kabat,
What is the Gujarati word for sofa?
sofa,
What is the Gujarati word for lamp?
divo,
Challenge round. Now level up a little. I'll give you a scene, and you imagine the Gujarati word. You walk into a room full of chairs, tables, beds, and sofas. That whole group is.
furniture,
Your keys are on the flat wooden thing in the middle of the room. That is the.
table,
You are tired and want to sit. You choose the.
khurshi,
You are exhausted and ready to sleep. You collapse onto the.
pathaari,
You open a storage piece and find plates, clothes, or hidden sweets. That is the.
kabat,
You want the best seat for tea and television. You pick the.
sofa,
It is dark, and you need light. You switch on the.
divo.
Goodbye, glorious house explorer. Nice work today. You just learned a whole set of Gujarati home words without getting trapped inside the cupboard. Let's say them one last time.
Furniture, table, khurshi, pathaari, kabat, sofa, divo.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, say the words out loud, and next time you see furniture, let your brain proudly whisper, ah yes.
Furniture.
Quote. You are doing great.